What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I have three high yield dividend stocks. These have done extremely well with my dividend portfolio. I would consider them cheap dividend stocks as well. Now, the thing with business development companies, 90% of what they make go back to investors. There's pros and cons to that. The dividend growth isn't always the best, but you get some really good income from these dividend stocks. Now, I myself, I'm like a hybrid, a value investor, dividend growth investor, income investor, and integrating this dividend investing strategy with my dividend portfolio, where I'm at $152,000 right now. These could easily, with M1 Finance, buy dividend growth stocks for me if things are implemented well. So I can use the high yield dividend stocks in these business development companies to help kind of build up my dividend growers. And then eventually, when I plan on retiring or using the passive income from the dividends, I'm going to use those dividends as a nice source of income. If you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check out these three dividend stocks right now. So the first cheap dividend stock, and I love showing you my income that I earn from them, is Capital Southwest Corporation, sitting at $22.77. It's not doing too hot against the S&P 500 right now in the past 5 years. One point it was just beating it, and then it's back down. Good buying opportunity for me. It's sitting at a good spot right now. It's almost like it was at equilibrium back in 2023. Doing a quick stock analysis, a little bit of a technical analysis combined. Its dividend yield is 11.17%. The PE ratio is 16.32. The market cap is 1.08 billion US dollars. Year range is 2068 to 2773. Day range is 2293 to 2278. Previous close is 2276. So let me show you some recent trends and the revenue trends. So from its most recent statement annually, it is up 49.32% in revenue. Net income is up 151.98%. Operating expense is 12.68%. The net profit margin is up 68.75%. Earnings per share is up 17.90%. That's pretty nice. Annual revenue, 178.14 million. So again, for a business development company, that's pretty strong. I'm going to show you some more revenue trends. Again, these numbers are very attractive. This is annually in millions US dollars. 2018, 35.12. 2019, 51.88. 2020, 62.03. 2021, 68.06. But still doing pretty well during the pandemic. 2022, 82.21. 2023, 119. 2024, 178. So that's a huge increase in revenue. I love it. And I'm going to show you the dividend history. So I'm going to show you the trend starting in 2022. It's very attractive. 50 cents quarterly dividend, 50 cents, and then 2022, 57 cents and 58 cents. And then in June 2023, 59 cents. And then we got 62 cents in September, 63 cents. And then it cracked 64 cents in 2025. So the dividend growth in 5 years, 9.36%. The number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 13. Payout ratios, 88%. It's a business development company. It's a high yielder. You're going to see normally a higher payout ratio with business development companies. An income investor like myself, I love it. You bought one share, you made 232 with a 10.19% dividend yield. Let's jump to the next business development company. One of my favorites, KKR Capital Corp, 2309. We got a dividend yield of 12.13%, a PE ratio of 12.25. The average volume is 1.28 million. The market cap is 64 excuse me, 6.46 billion US dollars. The year range is 1831, 2347. Day range is 2288 to 2333. Previous close is 2325. Let me jump to the revenue trends and dividend history. So we have numbers that have done extremely well since 2017. Annually in millions US dollars, 419, 2018, 394, 2019, 779, 2020, 639, 2021, 1081, 2022, 1635, 2023, 1830. So that has increased significantly from 2017. Now let's jump to the dividend history. I'm going to start in 2021. Quarterly dividend, 60 cents, and then 65 cents, 62 cents, 63 cents, 68 cents, 2022, 67 cents, 2023, 68 cents, 70 cents. Then you got a little bit of a special dividend right there at 5 cents, and then 2023, 70 cents, and then you got 5 cents, a little special dividend, then 70 cents, then 5 cents, and 70 cents and 5 cents. And then in July, October, and December, 70 cents. So again, it's a high payout ratio. The past 5 years, number of dividend increases is 10. Dividend growth in 5 years, 0.23%. Again, I'm an income investor. I'm not expecting dividend growth from these income stocks. That's why I have dividend growth stocks. Lowe's, Home Depot, Nike, Coca-Cola, Pepsi. Why I have those companies too. Remember, dividend growth always wins, but hey, that's a decent amount of money right there for those dividends. If you bought one share, you made 256 with 11.02% dividend yield. Let's jump to the final business development company, one of my favorites. And they need no introduction. They're one of the most popular business development companies, Ares Capital Corporation, sitting at 2309. Dividend yield is 8.33%, a PE ratio of 8.86. The average volume is 4.60 million. Market cap 14.89 billion US dollars. Year range 1932 to 2384. Day range is 2246 to 2358. Previous close was 2381. What makes Ares Capital so attractive as a business development company? Let's jump to the revenue trends. We're going to go annually in millions US dollars. 2017, 1,160. 2018, 1,337. 2019, 1,528. 2020 pandemic, 1,511. Again, this is annually in millions US dollars. 2021, 1,820. 2022, 2,096. 2023, 2,614. Let's jump to the dividend history now. Start in 2016, quarterly dividend 38 cents, a little stagnant, and then to 39 cents. 2019 42 cents, 2020 40 cents, 2021 41 cents, 2022 45 cents to 46 cents, 2022 51 cents, 2023 48 cents. And it's a little stagnant, so a little bit of a drop, but again, you're going to get a high payout ratio with Ares Capital. It's a business development company. The number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 5. Dividend growth in 5 years is 5.45%. If you bought one share, you made $1.92 with an 8.06% dividend yield. I own all three of these business development companies. I love the income from these business development companies. It goes straight into my dividend growth stocks. When I get the idea of retirement or planning on retiring on dividends, that's when I'm going to flip that and enjoy the revenue trends. They're hopefully going up. And the dividend trends, which are nice and slow, not guaranteed. Nothing's guaranteed with these business development companies. If something goes bad with the stock market, a recession, could be dividend cuts with high yield business development companies. So be aware of that. But eventually, I'm going to enjoy the income of Ares Capital, Capital Southwest, and FSK. Love generating passive income. If you follow me on X, you saw how much I'm making right now just with M1 Finance. So M1 Finance has a few unique ideas. Possibly, I did communicate with them with some possible strategies. Not a guarantee, but hey, maybe I have a say. to help them out and the developers to make something a little bit more powerful and a little bit more strategic for dividend investors. I'm still going to discuss that with them, and I'm going to have a second video for you guys later tonight. If you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit notification bell so don't miss future videos. I'll see you tonight with my next video. Take care and have a good one. And I'm going to jump to my disclaimer. So as a reminder, this is a disclaimer. Do not use my YouTube channel for any form of financial advice. It's strictly for entertainment purposes only. Investing is a big risk. You can gain money, you can lose money. So be aware and do your due diligence. Go to your financial advisor for financial advice. Go to your tax advisor for tax advice. I'm going to tell you that all the time. Any one of my posts on X, any one of my videos on YouTube or collaborations, you got to treat it as entertainment purposes only. Just being straightforward with you. You can lose money investing. There's a risk. You have to understand the risk. Take care and have a good one.